What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have some crazy news I wanted to talk about, which is kind of a little old, like a couple days old, but it's some big news regarding Hokk, and this is exactly what I predicted on my video I think a couple weeks ago. You guys gotta start listening to me because I'm right about a lot of things. I've called out a lot of stuff that has 10, 20, 30x'd, and I said that if Hokk did this, it would moon, and it did moon. I think that we still got some room to grow. So I am back in Hokk, by the way. I know I made a video saying that I sold everything, which I did, and I did a perfect trade. I'm gonna talk about that in today's video. So if you guys are new, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also follow my Instagram. And as well, today is the day, everyone. I am dropping my coin, Girth coin, today, and it's limited to only my paid chat. So if you want to get into that coin, it's not too late. Definitely join. All you gotta do is click the top link in my description. You'll be redirected to my website. You can join that way. It's only for the paid chat, by the way, not the free general. So you just gotta join that, and you have access to my coin. But basically, the point of this coin is to kind of get away from the bots and the rug pulls. So we've been working hard trying to figure everything out, and this is first of many of mine. So everybody in my chat will always get access to my coins. No pre-sale, so meaning no dump. Bear launch, which is the best ones, and nobody will be a whale per se. And I'm only gonna have 1,000 or less of my own coin, so I definitely won't be a big whale. So everyone join that, and let's get into this video. So it's been a minute since I made a Hokk video. I'll admit I haven't made one for a minute, and the reason why was because I don't like dog coins anymore. On the dog coins that are already stable and have been out for a minute, that's the only ones I really mess with. I mean, the other day, dude, I lost $18,000 worth of dog coins because I told myself I wouldn't trade anymore with new dog coins, and I went back on my word and I lost a lot of money. I'm just done with dog coins. I hate them. But in my last video about Hokk, I said that Hokk needs to make one decision, and that one decision will change the course of their coin. They need to get out of the dog coin niche, and they need to move into a more stable coin like crypto, and that's exactly what they did. If you guys look at their Twitter, this is a couple days old, by the way. Like I said, this isn't new information. This has been out. If you've been paying attention, you know that they've done a huge rebrand into Hokk Finance, and it's not the Hokkaido Inu anymore, and this is the perfect thing that they could have done for this coin, because I'll tell you why. First off, dog coins are I wouldn't say they're dead, but they're pretty much, they're in the grave, dude. There's way too many of them. There's way too many dog coins coming out every single day that it's almost impossible to just be sane without blowing your brains out seeing dog coin this, dog coin that every single day. And I'm not saying Shiba Inu or any of these dog coins that are already out, they're obviously going to make you money. Not saying that. I'm just saying, as for a long-term project, if you're wanting to invest in something that's not as much of a gamble, a dog come Inu or something like that, this is the direction that they needed to go, which was breaking that dog coin barrier and going into a traditional coin route, which is exactly what they did. And I'm very excited for the future with this. So I mentioned yesterday in my video that Hokk was up 100% the other day. And that was exactly the moment with this. They did the rebrand, which is exactly what they needed to do. Now, I'm aware that they said that there's still a dog coin, or they didn't say that. They had like a picture of a dog coin. They gave it a facelift or whatever. I'm aware of that. But from the outside looking in on their Twitter and everything, it's a regular coin. It's not a dog coin anymore. So anybody that's new coming into the crypto space trying to look at Hokk, they're not going to see the dog coin anywhere. It's Hokk Finance, and that's the great route that they were going to go. And I predict a lot of new coins that have been out for a minute are going to start going this route and trying to get out of that dog coin niche as we move into more creative space for crypto. So could we see Elon Musk tweet about Hokk next? Who knows? I think that might be in the pipeline, dude. He seems to have his finger on the trigger with all these dog coins, and he knows what he's doing. Obviously, that's a complete gamble. It's almost as big of a gamble as investing in dog cum Inu or something like that. You know what I mean? But only time will tell with this stuff, guys. I just want to bring this video because I haven't made a Hokk video in a minute. I am back in Hokk. I'm very excited for the future, and I'll keep you updated with any news I see. Maybe a potential Robinhood or Coinbase listing, Binance listing. I got some crazy leaked information about that that'll be in my next video. So definitely make sure to subscribe, guys. I love you so much. Thank you for all the support. Follow my Instagram if you want any plays every single day, and also check out my Discord. Like I said, my coin is either out or it's about to drop by the time you're watching this video. So you still have time to get in, still have time to get your coins ready. It's a BNB coin, by the way, not Ethereum. And I'm really excited, super excited, because my friend's coin did 120x of this caliber. It was literally the same market cap-ish, same amount of holders, and it went absolutely crazy. So if we could do anything like that, I'd be happy. So, and I'll see you guys in my next video.